When the floods hit in January, Mountain View resident Robert Banks lost his home. But that wasn't all he lost.
I was a whole month without my CPAP machine. You can die in your sleep without a CPAP machine. I'm blessed because God got me, but still, they did their part.
He now has a new machine thanks to a mobile clinic that runs well-being events in his community.
I lost my CPAP machine, they got me one. I lost my blood pressure monitor, they got me one.
The event is run by Gyra Providers. Gyra stands for Joint Initiatives for Racial Equity and Health. Samantha Williams is the group's co-founder.
We want to make sure that the need that's already there in regard to the flood doesn't then turn into an emergency need with their health. And so while they may not be thinking about it, we are.
Williams is also a nurse practitioner.
We definitely have the understanding that when it comes to disasters, especially natural disasters, oftentimes the first thing on a person's mind is not their health. It's food, it's safety.
For the last 3 weeks, she and her team have been bringing much-needed medical resources to flood victims.
So we want to make sure that access is right at their fingertips, not somewhere that they have to go, and not a need that goes unmet. So we bring preventative care services like our screenings for high blood pressure, diabetes, mental wellness, straight to the community.
Angie Lundavazo also lives in Mountain View. She says since the flood, her diet has not been the healthiest, and she's been stress eating.
I'm actually going to go get my blood tested and make sure that I don't have diabetes, because I know, like I said, I've been getting headaches. So my blood pressure has been good, and thank God to them providing the blood pressure monitor, I'm able to check, because mine went in the flood.
Lundavazo says Gyra treats residents like family.
And that's pretty much what we need. You know, we need people that are going to come and provide that help, but treat you with compassion, love.
If a community member needs follow-up care, Gyra has partnered with Innovative Wellness Clinic, or IWC, who can also assist with replacing medications lost in the flood.
Once we complete that community needs assessment and find out that there were medications, especially those critical ones, that were lost or damaged, then some insurers have immediately set up some hotline numbers that we're able to help them call to get those 30-day prescriptions. If not, then we again can connect them to IWC so that we can get that prescription refilled.
Gyra will be holding well-being events in the Mountain View neighborhood through the end of March, and then plans to reassess their efforts and help another neighborhood affected by the floods. Melissa Mae, KPBS News.